confirm, Phil?
Yep.
My screen.
All good.
Excellent. Okay, so we talked last week about chat quite a bit, and we were in chat, which is down the left-hand side of Teams. I have on my screen a different icon for Teams. Now, whether yours is part of chat or separate will depend on these three dots up here. And we can customize the view, and we can combine them or separate them out. So I like to separate them out so I have a separate screen. It really depends on how much you use Teams. So in here, we have a team and we have various channels within the teams. So unlike chat, these are known as channels. And essentially, it's really important to set up your teams and spend a bit of time considering how that is set up and employed within your business. Because underlying each team, you can add in all your filing and have it all available to you working within the team. Microsoft's vision is that at least internally, if not externally as well, you get rid of the majority of your emails by taking out all of the internal only emails and having the conversations embedded within Teams. It does mean that you have to work with Teams like Outlook, that it's available to you at all times and it's open, and that you manage your calendar effectively so that when you're busy, nobody can contact you, which is all linked. We did look at this last time. It's all linked to your presence indicator up at the top there, which at the moment is showing I'm presenting because I'm sharing my screen. If we look at this team that we already have here, we have the team, it's called 365 Training, and these are subdivisions known as channels. So those subdivisions you can call whatever you like. And the idea is that what you do is you chat to people within that channel. Now, what has happened with a lot of organizations because of the shutdown in 2020, and lots of people jumped onto Teams straight away, they went into chat by default and started having their chats in here and created group chats as well, so that everybody in a group would be able to chat and discuss everything. Great.